ChatGPT, the record-breaking chatbot that revamped the web, made its way to iPhones last month through an official app. Thanks to the app, iPhone users can access the AI-powered chatbot and get answers to their inquiries. It's available for a few weeks, but it's already a phenomenon in the App Store. Today, the developers are making it more interesting. OpenAI is improving integration with iOS, offering support for Siri and Shortcuts. In addition, this update will also improve the app on iPads. The shortcut allows you to create a custom ChatGPT prompt in Shortcut and save it. You can link it to other apps to execute a specific action. For example, you can save the answers to the prompt in Notes and send it directly via the messaging app. Thanks to deeper integration with Siri, you can also use Assistant to do it. The ChatGPT app offers support for drag and drop features between different Apple devices. You can drag and drop, and in the iPad you can now get full-fledged full screen experience. Previously the app was made for iPhone screen size, but now if you want to have the best experience, you can use directly the app. But the weird part is still not available for Android. People are still waiting for Android, and this app was launched in the US only in mid-May, and now it's going to be launched in 11 more countries. But some people are experiencing overheating and sudden battery drains after installing the app. Maybe you will have to wait for some time so that app can mature.